Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar met Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in New Delhi and raised concerns over the height restrictions imposed around defence airports in Bengaluru, saying they are hindering the city's urban growth and development. He explained that strict building height limits around key aviation and defence areas such as HAL Airport, Kempegowda International Airport, Jakkur Airfield and the Air Force base in Yelahanka are preventing high-rise construction in several parts of the city. He said this is becoming a major challenge as Bengaluru continues to expand rapidly. Shivakumar also pointed out that these restrictions are affecting road widening and overall infrastructure development, putting additional pressure on urban planning in the city. During the meeting, he urged the Defence Minister to consider a balanced approach that ensures aviation safety while also supporting Bengaluru's long-term growth and infrastructure needs. Will Bengaluru's growth be possible without relaxing height restrictions around key defence and airport zones? What do you think? Comment us below. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.